Hi everyone. Today's video is very special because this is the first faith or Bible journaling kit that I've ever curated. It's for my aunt, whose husband, my uncle, recently passed away from cancer. So I one of the things that she's been wanting to do is to start her own small group with the rest of the family, and I thought this is a this kit that I've created could help her and her kids. So you can see that I've included some bookmarks, some stickers, and this notebook. All of these are from Shopee, and this one in particular, I've written a couple of guide questions on each card. It's to encourage them to start sharing about their faith. Some questions about their own experiences, and other questions are to encourage them to share the gospel with others. I will provide all the links below. This is really not my style to speak or to add a voiceover, but I thought it would be a good way to glorify the Lord. These petals are from our village, and I thought it would be a nice touch to add. Oh, this pen is from the Christian Floating Bookstore that we visited, I think, last April. And I thought it would be also a nice thing to include here. It's very apt. And then here, I'll start decorating. And I think that's the end of my voiceover. I hope this has given other people or the viewers or whoever you are that's watching this an idea on what you can include in a faith journaling kit for any loved ones that you would like to encourage with their own spiritual journey. That's it. Thank you for watching.